Lenses are essential optical components used to focus, magnify, or correct light in a wide range of applications. The two main categories are convex lenses, which converge light rays to a focal point, and concave lenses, which spread light rays outward. Convex lenses are commonly used in cameras, microscopes, telescopes, magnifying glasses, and reading glasses, while concave lenses are often found in eyeglasses designed to correct nearsightedness. Advances in lens technology in 2026 have improved image quality, light transmission, and durability, making lenses more effective than ever for both professional and everyday use. Modern lenses serve a variety of purposes beyond traditional optics. Camera lenses help photographers and videographers capture sharp, high-quality images, while eyeglasses and contact lenses correct vision problems and improve daily life. Scientific instruments rely on specialized lenses for research, medical imaging, and laboratory analysis. Emerging technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and advanced smartphone cameras continue to drive innovation in lens design, creating lighter, smarter, and more versatile optical systems that enhance the way people see and interact with the world.